Hold on to your hats, folks, because the Pi network just took a flying leap into the wild world of crypto. On February 20th, 2025, the Open Network launched with a bang, not a whimper. Since then, the price of Pi coin has been more volatile than a caffeinated squirrel in a disco. Up, down, sideways, it's enough to make your head spin. So the big question on everyone's lips is, should you buy, sell, or just sit on your Pi like a nervous hen? Well, before you make any rash decisions, let's break down exactly what's been going on. The Open Network launch was a major milestone for Pi Network. It marked the moment Pi transitioned from a closed ecosystem to one that's open for business. This means users can now buy, sell, and trade Pi coin on a number of exchanges. Think of it like Pi finally graduating from crypto kindergarten and enrolling in the school of hard knocks. The launch hasn't been without its hiccups, of course. Some users have reported technical difficulties, and the price volatility has been enough to give even the most seasoned crypto trader a mild case of whiplash. But hey, what's a little volatility between friends, right? Especially when you consider the potential rewards. Now, before we get too carried away with the excitement of the Open Network, let's talk about the importance of KYC and mainnet migration. These might sound like boring technical terms, but trust me, they're crucial for Pi's long-term success. KYC, or Know Your Customer, is all about verifying the identities of Pi users. Think of it like a digital bouncer, making sure only legitimate users are allowed into the club. Over 19 million pioneers have already gone through the KYC process, which is a positive sign. It shows that Pi Network is serious about security and wants to create a trustworthy ecosystem. Mainnet migration is another critical piece of the puzzle. It's the process of moving Pi coins from the Pi testnet to the Pi mainnet. In simpler terms, it's like moving from your cozy little starter apartment to a swanky new condo in the big city. With over 10.14 million mainnet migrations already completed, Pi is well on its way to establishing a robust and decentralized network. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the Pi coin price. Since the Open Network launch, Pi has been on a roller coaster ride, hitting an all-time high of $1.97 and an all-time low of 83.64 cents on the very same day. Talk about a wild ride. As of right now, Pi is trading at around 89.55 cents with a 24-hour trading volume of over $841 million. But hold your horses before you start planning that victory yacht party. It's important to remember that the crypto market is notoriously volatile. Pi is still a very young currency, and its price is influenced by a whole host of factors, including market demand, adoption rates, and even good old-fashioned speculation. So, what does the future hold for Pi Network? Well, if you ask the experts, the outlook is cautiously optimistic. Some analysts predict that Pi could reach $6 to $25 in the long term, especially if it achieves widespread adoption. Others are a bit more conservative, suggesting a short-term price range of 10 cents to $10. Of course, these are just predictions, and nobody knows for sure what the future holds. But one thing is certain. Pi Network is a fascinating experiment in decentralized currency. Whether it succeeds in becoming the next Bitcoin or fades into obscurity remains to be seen. Now, it's your turn to weigh in. What do you think the future holds for Pi Network? Will you be buying, selling, or holding on to your Pi? Let us know in the comments below.